Hey guys, it's Cream. Oh my gosh, it's been so long that I've made a video. Like quarantine's been happening and stuff, and things got like very complicated. So, um, yeah, I just didn't have the motivation to do another video. And Cookie, I'm not gonna bother explaining why he's not here because I need time for the video, but today, as you can see, we are going to be playing B.R.E.A.D, Bread, and the creator, Salcret, I joined him in a game once, and I made another YouTube channel and made a video that I joined this game and stuff, and long story short, I'm his friend now, and it's kind of cool, kind of crazy. I'm still not sure exactly how it happened. I don't know, it's just a long story. But yeah, the game Bread, if you don't know already, it's a horror game, so if you don't want to if you don't like horror games or if you get scared too easily, I would suggest you leave. But my screen recorder thing I have to pay money for it to capture the audio of my computer. So if you want like the full experience with audio, I recommend you play the game. Anyways, so basically, you wake up in the middle of the night hungry. Objective, head to the kitchen. So it's kind of a weird game. Yeah, there's multiple endings. Um, I have a couple endings done. There's way more than that, and I'm going to try to. I'm just gonna do the good ending for you guys, or the bad ending. Let's see how it goes. So, here's the kitchen. Yeah, actually, for this time, I'm gonna do the good ending, and then after, I'm going to do the bad ending in the next video. I got bread to eat, but I don't want to eat it here because of the cold, so I'm going back to my bedroom. In the first, I mean, in the good ending, there's not like it's. I'll just I'm not gonna like tell you when there's gonna be a jump scare because like I don't like want to spoil it. But like if you don't like jump scares, don't like watch. Alright, I'm in my bed and I'm sleeping. Wake up. Alright, the next day you wake up hungry once again, you head downstairs. Okay, follow the breadcrumbs. Oh my gosh, I'm not that messy, you know? You feel like something is missing, head to the kitchen anyway. Okay, so if you've never played Bread before, if you've played it if okay, so only if you've played it when it was new, you would know why it said you feel like something is missing. It's like an OG thing. Um, yeah, it's well, I'll explain it later. A bird just flew and wait. Yeah, it just flew through the window. I don't know how. Why isn't the window closed, honestly? You arrive at the kitchen once again, but the bread is not on the counter. That's sad. That's depressing. No bread. No pain. The snow. Pause if you need to read it. I'm not gonna get that right now, cause yeah, that's the frozen bread. I'm gonna screenshot this actually. How do I screenshot? Okay, yeah, I did. I want to write this down, but like there's no pen or paper. Like I don't need it right now actually because I'm doing the good ending. Alright. The bread is frozen. We need to defrost it and fast. Why am I in such a rush here? Like seriously. How do I open this? Bruh. Okay. Why does that keep happening? Alright. Shoot, the power went out. Restore the power to the house using the generator outside. Okay, suddenly I'm sprinting. Why couldn't I have done that before? Everything was so slow. I feel kind of dizzy. Turn on the power. Okay. Time to defrost the bread. Actually, I might have time to do the good ending and the bad ending. Alright, defrosting the bread. Oh my gosh, look at that. What was that? Search the house for clues or defrost the bread in the oven. This is the good ending, my dudes. Do it. Alright, you defrost the bread in the oven and sit down for a nice pleasant meal. Alright, so I'm gonna see you guys when I'm in the game for the bad ending because I still have time for that. Okay, so basically, I just realized I don't, the ending I'm about to show you isn't like actually a bad ending. I mean, like, you get badges for like the endings that you get, and basically this one you don't get a badge, so it's not an ending, but I call it the bad ending because it's bad. And it has worse jump scares, so just warning you guys now. I don't know if I showed you this already. Did I? I don't know. I'm kind of scared. Actually, I'm not. I'm not scared really, cause there's no sound on this. Cause what's the point of me having sound if you guys don't hear it? Yeah. I don't know how to make this like interesting right now. Oh, right. Okay. So I'm just gonna explain. Um, how did I end up here? Okay. So I'm going to explain. When it said you feel like something is missing, basically when they didn't update the game, um, they just okay. So before, okay, I can't speak. Um, I really can't concentrate right now. I have to get to my room, and when I'm sleeping, I'll be able to concentrate. I'm so disappointed in myself. Alright, so I'll just get to the part where it is. So, the reason why OGs like know why it said like you feel like something is missing is because the first version of the game, I don't like right here, like right when you'd get here, the bird that flew out the window earlier, it there would be like a hole in the ceiling, like planks would come crashing, and a bird would fall, basically, and it would say, "Oh no, the bird ate all your breadcrumbs," and like just you'd just go to the kitchen and not do anything about it. So yeah, and it would be like a jump scare. There would be noise. I mean, of planks falling, of course. But yeah, that's the explanation behind that. Like, oh, I want to show you a cool trick. I mean, it's not really that cool. I just figured it out. Okay, watch. This is where the bread was, but it's ta-da! A bird just flew in through the window and ate all your breadcrumbs. Alright, I'm gonna do this now. Okay, suddenly I'm fast. Like, seriously, why am I rushing? Am I gonna die? Because I not ate? Because last time I checked, I ate, like, in my room. Like, last, I don't know. Alright, I hope I have time for this. Actually, I'm pretty sure I will because I'm sprinting right now. And, yeah. Turn this on. And if you're wondering what those red buttons are for, those are for another ending, and I'm not gonna bother try to do that because it's just like annoying to do. Like, I don't know, like, there's a lot that you have to get, and I don't know where they all are. Okay, so this. Oh, by the way, down there where it says objective, that's like, I don't know what language it is, but it says, it translates to don't approach Mrs. Breadbin. But and that's Mrs. Breadbin, by the way, and we're gonna approach her anyways. And when I first played this, I got this ending, and there was a jump scare sound as well, and I like freaked out and never wanted to play this game again. But I did, and I got the good ending, and it wasn't bad. And then I just became obsessed with the game, and then I realized that you could join the creator in a game when he was playing. So I made a YouTube channel for like to just make a video like, oh, it's cool, like I'm in the creator's game, yeah, I'm like wait, I'm in the game with the creator and stuff, yeah. And he actually saw the video, alright? And he commented on it, and like he commented, oh, it's nice, oh, that, like, I don't know what he said, but like he said like, sorry I couldn't like see you, I was busy working on the game and stuff. He actually commented on it, and I decided to keep joining him in games and like making videos about it, and like like he knew me better and stuff. And then after in a video he friended me, and like I totally freaked out. So that's the story. And this might like I don't know if he knows that this is my main account, like that was just my other account for that. But anyways, I'm gonna go now. I forget what I used to do with my outro. Did I even do an outro? But I don't know. Bye YouTube watchers, see ya.